Right, so now we're going to do 20, 21, and 22, and in this group of problems, we are adding and subtracting mixed numbers. So let's see how that works. On 20, we've got 2 and 3/4 minus 1 and 1/4. We already have the same denominator, so we do not need to find an LCD. We're just looking at our numerators, and we're subtracting them from each other. So in this case, we've got 3 minus 1 all over 4. 3 minus 1, remember the denominator does not change, is 2. And 2 over 4, we can reduce that by dividing the top and bottom by 2, and it becomes 1/2. Now do not forget that you have whole numbers to subtract. 2 minus 1 is your next step, and 2 minus 1 equals 1, and we're bringing the 1/2 down, so our answer is 1 and 1/2. All right, let's move to 21. Question 21 is 5 and 1/2 minus 3 and 1/4. Look at that. Our common denominator here is 4 for 2 and 4. That's the LCD. This one did not change, so sometimes you guys like to write times 1, whatever. I just like to copy it over. 2 times 2 gives you 4, so 1 times 2 is going to give you 2 over 4. What you do to the bottom, you must do to the top. Now we're looking at 2 minus 1, so we're going to subtract our numerators and keep the denominator the same. 2 minus 1 equals 1, and the denominator comes over as 4. And our answer for our fraction is 1/4, but we are not done because we need to remember that we have whole numbers to subtract over here. And we're taking 5 minus 3, which is giving us 2 as our whole number, and we're going to shoot down that 1/4, and our answer is 2 and 1/4. All right, 22 is the last one we're doing in this group, and 22 is 2 and 2/3 plus 4 and 1/9. Now, our common denominator for 3 and 9, moving that up a little bit so you can see it, is going to be 9. That's our LCD. In this case, it does not change, so you like to write times 1. I'm fine with that. 3 times 3 gives you 9. What you do to the bottom, you must do to the top, or the numerator. 2 times 3 is 6. And our new fractions that we will be adding here with our addition problem is 6/9 plus 1/9. So we're going to take the 6, the numerator plus numerator, and we're going to keep the denominator the same. So I got the 6 from that numerator and the 1 from that numerator. Now 6 plus 1 gives you 7, and your denominator is going to stay the same. We are not done yet, though, because we need to remember that we have a 2 and a 4 with a whole number over here that we need to add. 2 plus 4 is 6. Bring down the 7/9, and our answer is 6 and 7/9.